Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer a CapCut video from your PC to your phone. So first, make sure that you have already signed in to your CapCut account. Then next, in the spaces section, you can either use existing spaces or you can create or join a new space. And once you have already created or have an existing space, just click on Upload Project or Upload Media. Then from your library, just select the video that you want to upload to your cloud. So as you can see, our video has already done uploading to our cloud, and just make sure that you are logged in to your CapCut mobile so you can access the same cloud and access the same video that we uploaded from our PC. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily transfer and access your videos from your CapCut PC to your CapCut mobile. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!